Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to remove edits from the photos. So simply, first of all, open the Photos application. So from this photos, I am going to take one photo and I am going to do some edits on here. So simply here, I am going to crop this photo. Okay, tap on done. Now you can see this is the photo. I cropped this one. So let me show you how to remove the edits. So you have to select the photo that you want to remove the edits. Now tap on the edit button. Here you can see. And on the top right side you can see the option revert. Select this one. Then here you can see the option revert to original will remove all edits made to this photo. Then confirm this with the revert to original. You can see. So simply in this way we can remove all the edits that you have done on your photo on this device. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.